Hi, my name is Danielle, and in the previous two videos we discussed how to claim asylum in the UK and the basis of the Refugee Convention. Now we need to discuss what happens if your asylum application is refused. If your asylum application is refused, you are likely to be granted the right of appeal. This is an appeal to the First Tier Tribunal, and you will have 14 days in which to submit your appeal. You may wait some time before your day in court. It is exactly that time when you need to instruct a lawyer, find out why the Home Office refused your application, and prepare your bundle of evidence to put your best argument on your day in court. After the First Tier Tribunal heard your case, they might allow your appeal or they might dismiss it. If the judge dismissed your case, you need to discuss the case again with your lawyer to find out if you think the judge made an error of law. If the judge was wrong and made an error of law, you might be granted the right of appeal to the upper tribunal. Your solicitor will have to make an application to the upper tribunal for permission, and then, if permission is granted, another judge will hear your case and decide whether the first judge made an error of law. It is beyond the scope of this video to discuss the appeal process in details, but suffice to say that if you exhausted your right of appeal, you might wish to discuss with your lawyer the idea of a fresh claim. What is a fresh claim? A fresh claim is when you put your story again to the Home Office. But as the name suggests, it has to be fresh, it has to be different. You have to provide evidence that you did not have before. And there is a legal test to what is a fresh claim. Its fresh claim is when you provide evidence that provides realistic prospect of success that is different, significantly different from any material you provided before. And you can ask yourself, had the Home Office had this information before? If the judge only had this information before, would my application been successful? It's important that the information you provide is different, not only to increase your chances of success, but also for you to be granted the right of appeal if the Home Office refused the application, because if the Home Office decides that it's not fresh, your application will be certified and you will not be granted the right of appeal. At the center of my firm is the belief that the human being should come first. And so, if we can help you, please don't hesitate to contact us. We provide free Zoom consultations. Call us, send us an email, and we'll be very happy to offer you a free Zoom consultation, no obligation at all. Thank you.